Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 3-hip router that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Bora 3.25 horsepower soft start variable speed fixed base router motor, PM6250. This router packs a punch with a powerful 15 amp 3.25 horsepower motor that ensures smooth routing across a wide range of materials. Its variable speed dial, ranging from 10,000 to 22,000 RPM, gives users precise control for different applications. While the soft start technology provides added safety and stability during operation, the design features a heavy-duty cast aluminum base that feels solid and durable, along with oversized ergonomic handles that make maneuvering this router surprisingly easy, despite its weight of 16.44 pounds. Performance-wise, the electronic speed control maintains consistent speed under load, enabling high-quality results even on tougher materials. However, the product has struggled with customer reviews, receiving a 2.4-star rating, which highlights concerns about reliability and long-term performance. This router is ideal for professionals looking for robust power and control for demanding tasks, but its premium price and mixed reviews might make it less appealing for casual users. While it offers excellent features, there are better options in terms of reliability and overall value for money. Pros include its powerful motor and high build quality, but cons include its weight and lower user satisfaction. At number 4, we have the Makita RP1800 3.25 horsepower plunge router. This powerhouse is equipped with a 15 amp motor, delivering an impressive 22,000 RPM, making it one of the fastest routers in this lineup. The 0 to 2 and 3/4 inch plunge depth capacity, paired with linear ball bearings, ensures smooth and accurate plunge action, while the oversized ball bearings add durability and extend the tool's life. Additionally, it includes quick-release plunge depth adjustment with microcontrols and 3 preset depth stops for precision-intensive work. Build quality is another standout feature, with the Makita RP1800 sporting a sturdy design built for the long haul. However, it weighs 13.2 pounds, which might be a bit much for some users. Taking the third spot is the Ptool 3.25 horsepower industrial router, model PT001M. This router combines performance and affordability with a 15 amp motor that offers 6 variable speed settings, ranging from 10,000 to 21,000 RPM. The soft start feature minimizes wear and tear on internal components, ensuring a longer lifespan. Additionally, its 1/2 inch collet is compatible with a wide variety of bits, making it versatile for different types of woodworking tasks. The Ptool router features a compact design with a 4.2 inch diameter and weighs just 11 pounds, making it lighter and easier to handle than some of its competitors. In terms of performance, it delivers smooth results on hardwoods and softwoods alike, though it may lack some advanced features found in higher-priced models. Another highlight is its stellar customer reviews, with a perfect 5-star rating from users who praise its value for money and reliability. This router is ideal for hobbyists and semi-professional woodworkers who want solid performance without breaking the bank. Pros include its affordability, lightweight design, and smooth operation, while cons include fewer advanced features compared to premium models. Overall, it's a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. At number 2, we have the Makita RP2301 FC 3.4 HP plunge router with variable speed. This router is packed with features including a 15 amp motor that operates at speeds between 9,000 and 22,000 RPM, offering smooth and consistent routing. Its electronic speed control ensures constant performance under load, while the soft start feature provides stability during operation. The addition of an electric brake increases productivity by reducing downtime. The RP2301 FC boasts a reinforced composite build that balances durability and weight, although it tips the scales at 16.75 pounds, making it the heaviest router on our list. In terms of user experience, the Plunge depth adjustment is intuitive, and the variable speed dial makes it easy to tailor the router's operation to specific materials and applications. However, the price is currently unavailable, which might make it harder for buyers to evaluate its value. This router is designed for professionals who demand precision and reliability in their tools. Pros include its powerful motor, versatile speed range, and durable construction, while cons include its heavy design and potentially high cost. If you're looking for a router that can handle tough projects with ease, this is a fantastic option. Finally, at number 1, we have the Bosch 1617 EVS 2.25 HP electronic fixed base router. While slightly underpowered compared to the 3.25 HP models, this router delivers unparalleled versatility at an unbeatable price point of just $149. Its 12-amp motor provides adjustable speeds between 8,000 and 25,000 RPM, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The microfine bit depth adjustment adds precision, while the rounded hardwood handles enhance comfort and control. The Bosch 1617 EVS is constructed from durable aluminum and features a dust-sealed power switch, ensuring reliability and longevity. Weighing 9.9 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers. Despite its lower horsepower, its constant response circuitry stabilizes startup torque, providing smooth and consistent performance. It's also backed by thousands of positive customer reviews, with an impressive 4.8-star rating. This router is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who want high-quality results without breaking the bank. Pros include its affordability, precision, and user-friendly design, while cons include slightly lower power compared to premium models. Overall, the Bosch 1617 EVS is the best value option on this list and a fantastic all-around tool for woodworking projects. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.